Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to install a shortcut for your iPhone where it allows you to eject water after you've taken it for a swim. This will eject all the water that has gone into your speaker, just like the Apple Watch Series 3 and 4. So before we begin, let's go into your settings and allow untrusted source for shortcut. So tap on settings, then shortcut, then toggle the switch for allow untrusted shortcut. Now go back to your home screen and open up your Safari browser. Now tap on Google. In the Google search box, type in water eject shortcut and then press search. Now click on the first line from shortcutsgallery.com. Tap on get shortcut. This will open up your shortcut app and will ask you to review the shortcut. Scroll down and tap on add untrusted shortcut. Now you should see the water eject shortcut in my shortcut tab. Tap on the water eject shortcut. You'll get a prompt at the top asking you to confirm. Tap on begin water ejection. You should see your volume set to 100% and then your speaker will play a low-pitched sound which will push all the water out. If you put your finger near the speaker at the bottom, you should feel a slight breeze from the speaker holes. Once it finishes, you'll hear a ding from your iPhone. You will then get two prompts after it finishes the shortcut. Go ahead and press OK to that. And there you go, that is how to install and use the water eject shortcut on your iPhone. Hope this was useful to you. If it was, then please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.